Unboxing the Boxing Day Bonanza, a holiday special. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as festive as it is intriguing: Boxing Day Bonanza. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone who loves uncovering the stories behind holiday traditions, this video is for you. Let's unwrap this expression together and discover its meaning, origins, and how it's used today. First things first, let's break down Boxing Day. Traditionally observed on December 26th, the day after Christmas, Boxing Day is a public holiday in the UK and many other countries. The name doesn't come from the sport of boxing, but rather from the historical practice of giving Christmas boxes, a kind of holiday bonus, to service workers and the less fortunate. This day is characterized by sharing, giving, and community spirit, reflecting the essence of the holiday season. Moving on to the next part of our phrase, bonanza signifies a large amount of something desirable, such as wealth, goods, or opportunities. Originally a term used by miners to describe a rich vein of precious metal, the word has evolved to mean any source of great and sudden wealth or luck. In the context of our phrase, a bonanza refers to the abundance of sales, deals, and shopping opportunities available to consumers. When we combine the two terms, Boxing Day Bonanza refers to the major shopping event that takes place on Boxing Day, where stores offer significant discounts and promotions. It's a day when retailers clear out their holiday inventory, and shoppers can find fantastic deals on a variety of products. This shopping frenzy is akin to Black Friday in the United States, marking a day of retail celebration and consumer joy. The Boxing Day Bonanza is not just about shopping. It reflects broader themes of generosity, closure, and preparation for the new year. It's a time when people exchange gifts, spend time with family, and enjoy the spirit of the season, all while taking advantage of the sales. In modern usage, the phrase encapsulates the excitement and hustle of post-Christmas shopping, becoming a significant part of holiday traditions in many countries. We hope this exploration of the Boxing Day Bonanza has added a new layer to your understanding of holiday expressions and traditions. It's a fascinating example of how language and culture intertwine, reflecting the practices, values, and history of a society. As you go about your holiday season, may your days be filled with your own kind of bonanza. Whether it's in the form of joy, peace, or the perfect sale. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the wonderful world of English in our next video. Happy holidays!